everyone. This is Mrs. Crum again. This is lesson 3 for your first week of remote learning orientation. And this lesson is going to talk about how the lessons are going to be set up. So as far as how the lessons will look, I'm going to try to be consistent with how I set things up, just so you will kind of get used to things as the weeks go on. But the first link the first page is going to be a video from me explaining the lessons. So it will be me explaining a Google slide, and I will be going through information from the lesson. Then the next part, there might be a link to have a video to watch. You might have to do a CK12. It'll be some type of other activity. You might have a simulation, you might have a discussion or a Google Doc assignment. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to introduce the new information to you with the Google Slides, then have you look at some other form of material to help you understand the information, whether it's a video, whether it's a simulation, whether it's an activity that you're going to do, whether it's discussion. And then there might be maybe a Google Doc that you fill in, a Google form that you fill in, just to kind of look to see how you understand the information. And remember, you always are able to stop in office hours from 1 to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday if you have any questions with any of the information that I went over. Lesson 3, so those are the first 2 lessons. Lesson 1 every week will be, the content will be an LEQ for the unit. Lesson 2 every week, there will be a LEQ for the unit. Lesson 3 will have some type of a review. So it might be a Quizlet, it might be a Kahoot, it might be a review video, it might be just me summarizing the information. And then lesson 3 will also have some type of an assessment. So most of the time it'll be a knowledge check using like a Schoology quiz, a Google Doc to check for understanding. What you need to know for the lessons is that for each lesson, the way things are set up, so here's your remote learning folder. This information is unpublished right now, but I will be publishing it obviously so you can get in and look at it. But like if you look at the Welcome to Remote Learning, okay, so this is going to be the lesson 3, how the lessons will look. If you look at lesson 1, one of the things that I have for this is there's a little thing here that says must view this item. And so I am going to look, you have to view the video in order to get a check mark for that. And that's basically how completion for some of these things look. I can click on student progress and I can go through and I can look at where people are in the completion progress. The first 3 lessons are pretty easy because you have to basically view each video. So you have to view the video, you have to view the video. For lesson 3, you're going to have to view the video, and then there will be a weekly knowledge check. This one's going to be Welcome to Remote Learning, to just have you go through and answer some questions about what we went over for the week. So that's basically how the lessons are set up. Remember that all assignments, in order for the assignment to count as complete, you need to have earned a 70% or better. You can redo assignments. If it's an assignment like watching a video, all you have to do is watch it, and you will get a check for that, and I'll be able to go in and see that you watched it. So that's pretty much it. One thing to just kind of think about is success is not built on success. It's built on failure. It's built on frustration, and sometimes it's built on catastrophe. So with that being said, we should be very, very successful the end of this year because we are going to have to deal with all of this. So I hope that kind of explains what the lessons are going to look like each week. Once again, I am having office hours so that, if you, Monday through Friday, 1 to 2, if you have any questions about how this is supposed to look, you can definitely hop on and catch a Zoom lesson or a Zoom support kind of time with me. So hope everyone is still doing well. I miss all of you. I will see you next week. Bye.